What's the derivative of sin x? So the question is this: if y equal to sin x, what is the value of dy by dx? That is what differentiation of sin x or derivative of sin x. So what you need to know, the first thing that you should know is the compound angle formula. That is sine of a plus b is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This you should know. Second thing is, if a value of x is very small, if x tends to 0, it's not 0, it is tending to 0. When x is very small, sine of x is approximately equal to x, cos of x is approximately equal to 1. These two things, the discussion of these two is beyond the scope of this video, which we will discuss in a separate video. But know that if x is small, sin x is x, cos x is 1. Now let us try to solve this. So y is sin x. When you increase the value of x by a small amount, when x becomes x plus a small increase, then y will also increase by a small amount. When x increases by a small amount, y also increases by a small amount, because y is a function of x. What is sine of a plus b? Sin x cos dx plus cos x sin dx. This is y plus dy. So cos of a small value is 1. So this cos dx becomes 1. And the sin dx becomes dx, because sine of a small value is that small value. Then y plus dy is sin x plus cos x dx. Because y is equal to sin x, y and sin x will be cancelled. So dy equal to cos x dx, and dy by dx becomes cos x. So if y equal to sin x, then differentiation of that, derivative of sin x is cos x. So the derivative of sin x is cos x. So we will, and we can also prove the other thing. What is the other thing? If y equal to sine of ax, then dy by dx is equal to a cos ax. How is that? Suppose sine x increases by a small value, when x becomes x plus dx, y becomes y plus dy, because y depends on x. So sine of ax plus a dx, sine of a plus b. So sine of a x sin a cos b, so it is cos a dx plus cos a sin b, cos ax into sin a dx. See, the thing here you should note is, when you multiply anything with a small value, that becomes very small. Suppose 2 multiplied by 0.001, you will get 0.002. So when you multiply something with a small value, that becomes very small. So cos of a dx is also small. So because dx is small, a dx is also small. Cos of a small value is 1. Hence cos a dx is 1. Sine of this small value is this small value. Sine of x is x. Hence, how do we write this here now? Sine ax into 1 plus cos ax into a dx. So y equal to sin x. Then dy equal to, because y is equal to sin x, these two will be cancelled. Then dy is equal to cos ax into a dx. So dy equal to, I am bringing the constant up here, so a cos ax into dx. Then dy by dx equal to a cos ax. If y equal to sin ax, differentiation of sin ax is a, that has to be come out, and then sin ax is cos ax. This is how. So sin x becomes cos x, sin ax becomes a cos ax.